In this video, we will compare Badoo, Tinder, and Bumble. Badoo, Tinder, and Bumble are popular dating apps, each with unique features catering to different audiences. Badoo focuses on social discovery, allowing users to meet new people nearby or worldwide. It emphasizes real-time interactions with features like live video chats and photo verification to reduce fake profiles. It's great for casual connections and expanding social circles. Tinder is known for its simple swipe, right or left feature, making it fast-paced and easy to use. It's ideal for casual dating, hookups, and short-term relationships, though some users find long-term partners. Its large user base increases the chance of matches globally. Bumble gives women more control in heterosexual matches by requiring them to send the first message, promoting a respectful environment. It's designed for both dating and networking, offering modes for friendships and professional connections. In my opinion, if you prefer casual, quick matches, Tinder is a strong choice for meaningful connections. With a woman-first approach, Bumble is ideal if you want to meet new people. Beyond dating, Badoo is a way to go. So that's the comparison between Badoo, Tinder, and Bumble. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.